Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Udemy course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Udemy course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Udemy course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and sometimes they go their own way, so you need to block access to your Udemy course. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Udemy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Udemy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove an admin or a team member, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the course that you would like to remove the admin from. Keep in mind, you need to do this for each and every course that they have access to. For me, I just have this one course, so I'm going to click on the course. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your course. However, in order to remove or delete an admin or a team member, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see all the admins and team members that you have. So just look for the person that you would like to delete. So for example, this one right here, and then you're going to click on the purple revoke button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and that admin has been removed from my Udemy course. Now you don't get a confirmation, so make sure that you're sure you want to go ahead and delete that admin because you don't get a confirmation. Of course, you can go ahead and re-invite them in the future if you decide to do so, but as of right now, they no longer have access to my Udemy course. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member inside your Udemy course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.